y'all, Dr. Sydney here, and welcome to week 10. You've made it more than halfway through the term, and we're plugging right along, and we can see Thanksgiving a break coming around the corner, but in the meantime, we still have some work to do. So this week, we're going to do something a little bit different. There's not a lot of writing involved, more analysis involved than anything, but I really want you to start thinking about your next assignment, which is due coming up next week. So this assignment is different in that you're going to be telling a story. Now you've already told a story with your personal statement, but this time I want you to think about someone who has influenced you, or perhaps an event that either affected you somehow or perhaps changed your worldview. You really want to think about this story. Think about the details. Think about the sights, the sounds, the smells, all those things that we've been working for. Because next week you're going to be preparing your audio narrative. So your audio narrative is going to be similar to a podcast. And because it's similar to a podcast, you really want to make sure that you're going out and reaching your audience and making a connection with them. So again, while you don't have a lot to do this week in terms of assignments, I want you to start thinking about what you're going to be doing for your audio narrative, your podcast. You can start writing it this week. We'll workshop it a little bit next week, and then we'll get it posted. Again, if you need me, always reach out, send me an email, send me a message on Canvas. You can also send me a message on Reminder. That's it for now. Thank you, and until next week, bye.